seen the rhinoceros's friend? The one it carries on his shoulder? No, it's not another rhinoceros. It's a bird. How can such different animals be close friends? Do you know why? Because the rhinoceros lets the bird travel on his back, and in exchange, he cleans his ears and its back of insects and parasites. They make a great couple. This way, when the bird gets tired of flying, he can rest on the rhinoceros's back and have a snack. The rhino is happy because the bird cleans where he cannot reach. We can also help our friends, like helping to tidy their toys or helping with their homework. This way, you'll make lots of friends.